Hello, Jerry. Thanks for getting back in touch with me. My name is Charles, and this is the video I mentioned that I'd send over to you. And you might be asking, why am I doing this? Well, I do this. I've realized a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn everything that's involved in how to generate more clients. And there's so much information out there, may get confusing, and there are also other people who tend to try and scam business owners. So I just wanted to, show you a couple of things, a couple of tricks up my sleeve that you can implement yourself or give them to someone else to implement. If you'd like to work together, I'm also open to that. I noticed that you're advertising on Facebook as well. I'll send you a short video right after this, just by a colleague of mine that will give you same kind of thing, more tips, show you what we do and how it can help you if you implement these tips. So, let's get started. Now, we all know about 90% of people use Google to look for local services. 70% of them will click on something that's on the first page. So it's important to be that visible up here on the front page. And just a word about these search results. If someone types in a keyword, a phrase like Cape Coral Roofing Company, that's more buyer intent. The person is probably looking for a company because they want, or Cape Coral roof repair. They want to utilize that service. And once that's typed into Google, first thing you'll see here are Google ads, which are very effective. They're on the front page, they're at the top, and there's tons of people who are searching for these keywords. For example, I use a tool called Ahrefs, which helps me study keywords and study websites. And I'm gonna get into this tool, and it tells me about 50 people a month are looking for your services around Cape Coral. I know that's about 40 minutes from where you're located, but I figured that was a big enough city around that can get you more clients. I also want to see our original keyword was Cape Coral Roofing Company, and we can see that there are about 300 people searching for that every month. So grabbing even 6 people from this for this pool of people who are coming, 6 new customers just because of this one keyword would be very helpful to you, I'm pretty sure. So how do you rank? Let's take a look at these search results. Right below the Google ads are the what's known as the map pack, where you have 3 businesses and maps, and then you have the organic results down here. So I want to talk about 3 things that can help you improve in all of these areas, and those are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content mainly helps if you have a website. I was looking around for your website, but I don't believe you have a website. For that, I will take your one of your competitors here. So, content is everything on the website. All the text, the words behind the pictures, what the pictures are saved as well. For example, like I can see the logo here is saved as just logo.webp, which to me doesn't say anything. If you save it as a keyword, something that Google knows people are looking for example, Cape Coral Roofing Company .png, that would help Google recognize your relevancy. So that's it's advisable with Google to have about 1,500 words of text, 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. For example, these guys, I would definitely increase the amount of text and make sure you include keywords that Google can recognize and put you in front of these kind of searches. Second thing I want to talk about are citations. Citations have to do with this area here, the map pack. A citation is anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number is cited in different directories online, like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Yext, etc. Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com. The higher in number your business, the higher number citations you have, especially compared to your competitors, the higher you will appear in these searches. And the goal is to be on the front page. It's also important to have more pictures, and compare with your competitors. Have put on more pictures. Make sure you geo tag those pictures so that Google will start to bring you up for the results in that your target area. Um, Last thing I want to talk about here are the organic search results. Now, how do you rank higher here? It has a lot to do with backlinks. Backlink is when a different website links to your website, directing people to you. The more backlinks you have and the better quality backlinks you have, the more Google will recognize you as an authority and place you higher in these search results. And we've seen with the numbers of people who are searching for your kind of services, being higher in the search results would definitely mean more clients coming to you. For example, this keyword roofing company Cape Coral has 250 people looking for you. Roofing company Cape Coral, Florida has 100 people per month looking for that. So there's tons of opportunities, and these are just a few keywords that I'm showing here. So those three things, backlinks, citations, and content, will help you rise higher and higher here. So if you do decide to build a website, make sure you give whoever's building this video to help you build the most optimized website so that it can be put in front of searches by Google. Like I said, I'm going to send you a quick video about Facebook advertising as well, because I saw you advertising on Facebook and just want to make sure you can optimize and get the best bang for your buck and get more clients and grow your business. Thank you, Jerry. Have a great day.